Okay, good afternoon, kids. Today is May 29, 2020, and we will have a language art class. The topic is forces and movement. The expected learning outcome is analyze simple short tests. Okay, let's see what we will do today. Well, number one, we will see the vocabulary. We will have a vocabulary review. 2. Skim through the reading test on student book pages 150, 151. 3. You will see some difficult words. 4. Listen and read the test, forces and movement. 5. Do the comprehension activities on student book page 152. Let's begin. Vocabulary review. Listen and repeat the words, please. Push. Let me put the video.
Push. Pull. Movement. Ground. Throw. Speed. Heavy. Light. Easy.
Okay, you will see this vocabulary in your student book at the beginning of the unit 15, and please listen to it and review it. Let's continue. Well, right here we have open. Please, first you will open your book on pages 150 and 151, skim through the reading, and check the highlighted words which are part of the vocabulary, and circle any difficult words that you don't understand. Okay, check the highlighted words, please. It's movement, push, pull, throw, easier, light, heavy, speed. Okay, these are the key words, the vocabulary words from the unit. Please check them out. Also, if you have any difficult words that you don't understand, you can circle them and look for them in the dictionary, in the Google Translator, or in the Google for meanings or definitions. Okay, so let's continue. Well, I have some difficult words that you might try to understand. They are, the first word is things, which is similar to objects. Windy day is like a day with lots of air. Swings are rides for children at a park. Long way is similar to a long distance. Tortoise is another name for turtle. Okay? These are the difficult words that I thought you might have problems with. Okay? If they are not, okay, you can look for others. Now you will listen and read along. Please listen to the audio and read along. Okay? Let's find. Okay.
Forces and movement.
We see things move every day. We see people walking, birds flying, and leaves falling to the ground on a windy day. Things move in many ways. They move up and down, right and left, and over and under things. Look around your classroom. What things are moving?
Force. A force makes something move. A push is a force, and it moves something away from you. We push people on swings. A pull is a force too, and it moves something toward you. We pull things in wagons. Can you name something you push and something you pull?
Movement. A small force causes a small movement, and a big force causes a big movement. When we use a small force to throw a ball, it doesn't go far. When we use a big force to throw the same ball, it goes a long way. It is easier to move a light thing than a heavy thing. We can move a toy car with a small force because it's light. We need a big force to move a real car because it's heavy. Speed. Speed is how fast things move. Some things, like a train, move fast, and some things, like a tortoise, move slowly. Can you name some things that move fast? A force can change the speed of things. When you push a door with a small force, it opens slowly. But when you push a door with a big force, it opens quickly.
The next time you see something moving, ask yourself, what force is moving it? A push or a pull? Is the force small or big?
Okay, now that you have already listened to the text and you have read it, think about this. Right here, there is a think question. It says, what is the cause of the door opening slowly? And what is the effect of the door being pushed with a small force? Think about these questions and try to understand what it means, okay? Now, let's pass to the next page. Right here is page 152. Please write the date on the top of the page. It's May 29, 2020. Think question. What do you like about the test? Check. Why? Give a reason. Well, in this case, you are not going to give a reason. You are going to check only the ones that you like, okay? You might have liked that 3 or you might have liked 1. For example, in the number 1 says, how force makes things move? Well, if you like it, put a tick. In the number 3, big and small forces cause different movement. If you like it, put a tick. And in the number 4, we have how force changes speed. If you like it, put a tick. You can tick the 3 or you can tick 2 or 1, the ones that you like, okay? Now, ask and answer the question. Ask and answer the question. What's your favorite part? Please answer this question orally. You can tell your mom what's your favorite part, okay? Continue. Exercise B. Complete a chart, write the cause or effect. Also, I gave you extra information. It says choose from the answers below. Right here we have 2 causes and right here we have 2 effects. Number 1, we push something. What is the effect? It opens fast or it moves far away from us? Yes, it moves far away from us. So the answer, it moves far away from us, goes in the letter A. Okay? Number 2, we don't have a cause, but we have an effect. It says, it moves towards us. We use a small force or when we pull something? Yes, when we pull something, it moves toward us. Okay? Number 3, there is no cause, but we have an effect. There is a small movement. When there is a small movement? When we use a small force. Okay, so when we use a small force, there is a small movement. Okay. Number 4, we open a door with a big force. What will happen? It opens fast. We open a door with a big force. It opens fast. Please write the answers in the corresponding spaces and check them with your ebook. Okay, let's continue. In the letter C, you will answer true or false. It says circle true or false. A 4 doesn't make things move. Please circle true or false. 2, push and pull are forces. 3, a light object needs a big force to move it. A light object needs a big force to move it. Okay, you will answer true or false for each of these 3. Now, the think question, it says, what do you think? There are 2 questions here. Number 1, what is heavy and needs a big force to move it? If you remember in the story, in the test, they told you about that a toy car is light and you can move it easy. But a real car is heavier and you can't move it with a small force. So What is heavy and is a big force to move it? A real car. And in the number 2, it says, it is easier to push your father or your friend on a swing. And why? Remember, your father is heavier than your friend because your father might be 60 kilos, 70 kilos, 80 kilos. Okay? And your friend might be 25, 22, 23 kilos. Okay? So, I thought that you will choose this answer. It is easier to push my friend. He is lighter. Okay? It is easier to push my friend. He is lighter. Because your friend is lighter than your father. Okay? Well, I hope you understood the class, the lesson. It's only the reading of the test and answering the comprehension activities about it. But you can listen to this video, watch this video as many times as you can, okay, until you get the information pretty well. And I have something to tell you. Thanks for watching this video. Keep on the hard work. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon, okay? Goodbye.